So what's up, guys? Today we have a iPhone 8 Plus that has a overheating issue. So basically, phones gets hot. So let's plug in the charging cable and see what's going on. Well, nothing. Doesn't charge or anything. Okay, so when you plug in the charging cable, it doesn't show any sign of charging. It's fluctuating. So this phone, it's not just an overheating issue. It probably got short or something. The way it's fluctuating. So let's try to test it. See what's going on. Let's see if it's short or not. Let's go to schematic to see where we can find the main power line. It's been a while since we repaired an iPhone 8 Plus. Let's go to schematic. iPhone. What's this? No, it's way down here. I'm not sure it's Intel or Qualcomm, but it doesn't matter. It should be the same. No, we don't want this. Just want this. Let's do this. So it should be, there it is. So let's check to see if this is short. Nope, there's no short. Make sure again. Nope, there's no short on this one. So the phone is not short, but it's not charging. So let's try. And let's start to boot. Oh man, that's not good. So the phone went instantly to 2 amp draw right away when we tried to boot up. So this tells us that either the VD boost is short or the memory. Usually those are two cases. So we need to take up the board and actually go there and test it. Okay, so we have removed the logic board from the housing. Let's go to schematic, see where VD boost is at. Well, what we remember is VD boost is somewhere on the other side of the board. It should be somewhere around here, VD boost. PBU core, there you go, VD boost. So let's check to see if there's a short there, VD boost. Nope, that's not. So VD boost is fine. So we have no short on VD boost. Let's check for memory. We could have a short on memory. So so these are the memories you want to test. The 3 volt, also the 0.9 volt. Let's see. Yeah, usually this one goes out. Let's check. 3 volt here. Undo. Yep, we do have a short. We do have a short on 3 volt. Which one is it? So which one? Which one could it be? Which one could it be? Let's inject some voltage in there and we can tell. There's another one over here. Maybe this one over here. This one right here. Just make sure those are the only ones. So we don't know which one. Let's inject some voltage in there. What is that? So positive. Okay. That's weird. That's not a good ground. No. Oh, so the one over there is somewhere over there. Ooh. So this one got short right here. See smoke come out here. Was it this one? So this one got short right here. So let's remove that. Yep, this is the one. Now let's test back to see if this is short. No more short. No more short. Positive here, negative here. This one's ground. Now we can test this one to see if it's short or not. Yeah, this one's short, alright. Yep, it's short. So that capacitor was shorted. It's good. Now let's put back into the housing. Let's test it. Hopefully that's going to repair it. Let's put it back to the housing. If that's the only issue, that's a pretty simple repair. Right. So when you repair phone, you want to do the simplest possible repair as possible. That save you time. Also, you want to mess up with the logic board too much. You want to go straight directly to the repair, the issue. And you don't want to mess around with other components. That can cause other issues, Come on, let's go inside, guys. What's wrong with you? There you go. Okay. Now put it in there. let's charge it. So we get 0.3, 0.9. It's going up. Amp draw 0.5, and now we see a logo, battery logo. I don't know if you can catch on here. There you go. I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, you see there's a battery logo. There you go. So the phone is charging at 2.3 amps, which is good. Let's wait till it finish the charging, and we can test it. It looks like we fixed the issue, but we need to power up and see what's going on. If that's the only issue, let's come back later. Okay, so phone powers up at 4%. We don't have the password to test out anything further, but the phone is working fine now. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is a pretty simple repair because based on our experience, years of experience fixing these phones, so we know where, when we see the issue is at when we power it up, we can tell. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have subscribe to our channel, and it helps grow the channel, and we can provide you more phone repairs. Also hit the like button if you haven't done so. It helps a lot. It's free. Encourage us to provide more videos like this in the future. Bye for now.